the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And armies, the D-Day is here. The D-Day is here. I'm going to be reacting to We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal MV. Finally. And when I typed the song, it's written 2020 Festa. So I think this was part of the BTS 7-year anniversary. And it makes sense because I know the song, I know the meaning of the song, and it's for the armies. They are thanking armies. So I'm a little scared to react to this MV because the song is so emotional. It makes me cry. So I don't know. Can we do a try not to cry challenge? Can we do that? Let's do that. Because when I was sitting down doing the setup and stuff, I thought that I'm not gonna cry. And let's see if I succeed or not. So yeah, without dealing this any further, let's start the reaction for We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal. Okay. I don't need the captions today because I know the song. But it's okay, let the captions be there. Oh, it's animation. Oh! Yeah, someone told me this is there was animation in the video. But is the full MV animated? Is the full MV animated? Oh, we'll find out. Why am I asking you? Of course I'll find out. I'm watching the MV now. Who's that? That's Namjoon! Oh! Boy with love and no more dream Namjoon. Oh, past and oh my god, I'm not ready. Already I feel like crying. That's my baby brother! That's No More Dream. The bus. My favorite vocalist, Chaeyoung. Oh, with the glasses. Yogi. That's from No. Oh, that's why you had asked me to watch the previous videos, because there are references, these animations. Otherwise, I wouldn't have understood what this classroom was. So now that I'm looking at it, yes, it's from No. Oh. Okay. Jin. This is a Boy in Love, that school corridor, right? Jimin! Danger! But he was wearing this, oh I'm sorry, the train station is from Danger, but wasn't he wearing this in We Are Bulletproof Part 2, the red costume? Yeah, the red costume is from We Are Bulletproof Part 2. Last treasure. Oh, so this is all the negativity, all the hatred towards them from No. Is he holding the arm? Because I know he had a shoulder injury. Somebody told me when he was training at that point of time, he got a shoulder injury, but he didn't tell anybody because the members would worry and stuff like that. So can you give me a bit more context on that? Oh my god, I am not ready. I love this part. Yes, it did. I really like this line. Love this line. Oh my god. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I'm really sorry. The name, the Bangtan Sonyeondan, the name was ridiculed. The name Bangtan Sonyeondan, I know that it was ridiculed and people thought, what kind of name is this for a group? But our once ridiculed, shameful name is now proof set in stone. Yes! Yes! Not crying. Try not to cry. Now they're coming up. They're coming up. Young forever! Yes! And the animation is so cute! I need you! Their first commercial hit. Run! Rashina. Oh my god, blood, sweat and tears! Not today. Oh wow! Okay, I am not ready. This is my favorite part of the song, this bridge. I am not. Oh my god. Okay, let's go back. I want to see this animation again from Young Forever. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm not crying. Oh my god, spring day. Oh my god, this makes me cry. This is army, right? The purple things are army. Oh my god. Again, please guys. Oh no. Yeah, that's army. What the hell? Big whale. They've reached the top. Oh my god, that's the oh my god, I'm crying. No! I failed my challenge. I failed my challenge. I failed my challenge. I'm not showing you my crying face. No way. That's the stadium. This thing. The purple light stick stadium. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm not showing you my face now. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, no. I love when they go at the top. Like they've reached the top. I don't understand the whale part, but I know you guys will tell me. Oh my god. Oh my god, the army logo. I'm sorry, I'm crying. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I am so sorry. Oh my god, no. This is not happening. Firstly, I have failed my challenge. I have failed my challenge. Oh no. What was I even thinking? Doing a try not to cry challenge for this song. What the hell was I even thinking? Of course I would have failed it. Of course I failed it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I don't know what happened when the army logo came in now. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. Again I'm crying. Oh no. This line, we are not 7 with you. It turned into. Oh, this music. Boy with love. The animation.
We are not 7 with you.
Okay, let me stop this first. Okay, so I have embarrassed myself. I have embarrassed myself in this reaction. I failed my challenge. I cried. I am sorry. Ah, my god, what do I even say? What to tell you, armies? What to tell you? Okay. Let's not talk about the song because it's very emotional. But anyway, I have shared my thoughts about the song in the review itself. If you have not watched my Modes review, please do head. You will find the review in the BTS playlist. And okay, yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. I am just thinking, armies who have been with them from the beginning or from the middle also. I mean, I don't know how you guys. I have known them from when? From July? That's it. I've known them since July. So July, August, September, October. 4 months fully, and November has started. In 4 months, I am literally crying at this video. After only knowing them for 4 months. I don't know what would have happened if for the OG armies when this video had dropped. I don't even want to imagine that because it's scary to even think about it. But the animation, can we give a round of applause for the animators? Can we just give a round of applause for the animators? Beautiful animation. I cannot believe that an animated video made me cry. I cannot believe that an animated video made me cry. Imagine if the clips from the real, the real-time clips were being shown. Say this was a song which was only their past clips. I would have howled like crazy. I mean, that would have been like, oh my god. I don't even want to imagine. My god, why did you ask me to react to this? Armies, why did you ask me to react to this? You shouldn't have. This is not okay. I don't like you anymore, armies. Okay, I'm kidding. Of course I love you. So yeah, that was my reaction to We Are Bulletproof The Eternal. I need to watch one of the funny compilations now. I'll probably watch a Run BTS episode after I shoot and edit this because I need to lift my mood up now because thanks to all of you, you made me cry. You made me cry, armies. This is not okay. But I still love you. Okay. Alright guys, that was my reaction. I hope you enjoyed watching this reaction. I hope you did not cry like me. I made myself look like an idiot in front of you by crying. I hope you didn't. But yes, please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. And I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.